this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have got this rocket Appartamento here. So this machine wasn't heating at all, and I found that it needed a new heating element. But in addition to this, it was also missing both of the safety thermostats. So I put those thermostats in there and redid some of the wiring. Here you can see some of those old connections. This was on the heating element. Other than that, I've just left everything else how it is in the machine. I did clean off the milk wand a little bit, but I'm going to pull a shot just to show you that everything is working now. Hopefully you can see here that the temperature is also at a little bit over 1 bar, so 1 bar pressure. There's a shot of espresso, and hot water. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.